Alright, so today I received my throttle body spacer. Here's the Z3. Here's the J35 throttle body spacer. So what we're going to do is remove the stock Z3 throttle body spacer and install this new one. Let's go ahead and open this up. There's the part number. It says it's a Honda Accord 13 or 14, but it's okay. It is the V6 3.5. That's what we need. We're gonna go ahead and open this from here. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. And here is the instructions. You can see there is our model 2005-17 Honda Odyssey 3.5. And the one we actually have is the Acura TL, I think. But anyways, same thing. It fits. Comes with a gasket and the spacer with bolts. So you know what I like about these? Boom, carb number. So you don't have to take that shit off. My son's already helping me out. He's taking off the nuts already, or the screws. Make sure you get all of them. Alright, here I have the throttle body. Oh yeah, I was gonna say let's match them up. Let's see if they're a little bit bigger. I can see the size difference already. Look at that sucker. Look at that. Oh yeah. Shit, maybe we should put it in like that. Yeah, right. Alright, so let's check out the thickness. Ooh, this one is smaller. Okay. So it looks like we are gonna have to use your bolts that you came with. So let's go ahead and, you know what, let's just have a little comparison. Here. And now here. Holy shit, that is gonna be so perfect, bro. So perfect. Alright. Woo! I already feel better about this purchase already. Yeah. So let's go ahead and assemble this. The way we're gonna do it is spacer, thermal gasket, then the spacer. Yep. Holes line up. I think I'm gonna use the original J35 gasket. This is a new one, but this is the original one, so I'm gonna use the original one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mount this on top. I am gonna use these bolts here instead of these, so let me go ahead and do that swap real quick. Yeah, and these bolts are a little bit longer, so yeah, I am gonna use the new ones. Alright, and there it is. I just want to do one last comparison. This is the big one. Can't even see the teeth on it. So let's go ahead and throw in the Z3 one. And here's the Z3. Look at that. You can see all the teeth and everything. Everything, you can see everything. And I actually have the other one right underneath it. But still, you can see the teeth there. Drop that one. Mount this one. Look at that. Yeah. It's a big ass difference in restriction. Look at that. You can see the teeth here and everything. This one has it. Might need both hands. No, got stuck. There it is. Look at that. Man, that's dope. That's hella good. Alright, I'm so excited I just can't stop looking at this thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and mount this sucker now. Alright, and we'll go ahead and tie this down. We're just gonna hand tighten everything for now. Make sure everything is nice and aligned. Then we'll go ahead and torque this down. Alright, there it is, nice and aligned. Looks way much better than the Z3. Way much more opening. Alright, now let's go ahead and torque all these bolts down. Alright, and for the throttle body, it's going to be 17 foot-pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and set my torque wrench to 17 foot-pounds. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and torque it down to 17. There it is. Then this one. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to tighten these down evenly. That way they're a little bit snug. And they're going down nice and evenly. Now I'm going to go ahead and torque this one. Alright. Do this one. Alright. And this one. Perfect. 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 So we got a little loose. There we are. Perfect. Perfect. Sweet. And there it is. Check out that opening. Hell yeah. So worth it. So now I have this one for my collection right here. This one's bad, this one's good, that's still good. Now I have an extra gasket for it. You see where the J35, it needs that k20 gasket because it does not cover this bottom port. And that is why you need it. And I think that will do it for now. Still waiting on the oil pan to get here so we can do the oil pan. The motor is pretty much complete already. All I got to do is put the wiring harness on. It's over there collecting cobwebs already. No, leave that alone. And what I do have to do is I need to work on the car and change these here. But I really can't with this little guy here. But we will be able to do that pretty soon. There's my other son coming in. What's up, Caleb? And I have this door closed because it's fresher in here. I have the AC on. Watch your feet. Super hot outside. It's over 100 degrees outside. And this kid wants to go outside. Yeah, so I really can't do anything much with the kids here. That's why I really haven't been filming. But motor's all complete. Everything's nice and bolted down. Everything's nice and secured. We got the new throttle body spacer. Sucker's gonna rip. I cannot wait to rip it with this new 70mm bored out intake. J35 throttle body spacer, J35. 75k 1,000 miles on this motor. It's like a brand new motor. Just did the valve adjustments. Everything is super shiny and clean. I just can't wait to slap this sucker on. Just waiting on the clutch. Just waiting on the clutch. Oh, clutch update. So, oh, look at this one's loose. I need to tighten that. Oh, this one too. Nice. I guess everything is not secured. But I know I secured everything else down because everything else is done, torqued down to specs. This is the only thing I didn't torque down because I didn't find any specs to it. So I'm gonna just give it the George tight on this. Let me see if I find something. I could have sworn I didn't see anything. Yeah, I didn't see no pulleys whatsoever in here. I think I did find something within the water pump installation, and it just said to tie down, excuse me, Caleb, as tightly as possible. It said just tighten to secure, I think it said. I'm not too sure, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie these down, and we're pretty much done. My kid's over here. No, what are you doing? Where did you take this off from? Oh, hells no. Yeah, I gotta go, bro. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I was just reading the instructions. It says 15 foot-pounds. Well, you're 2 foot-pounds over. At least you know you ain't coming off. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.